Hi everyone, my name is Zarif Rahman. I am from Sunshine Grammar School. I read in class 6. Today I am going to germinate some peas. Step 1. I have soaked some peas in water. I will keep them in water for at least one night in dark. So these peas were soaked in water over a night. Now I am going to sieve the water. As you can see, the sprouts have already grown from the peas. I will keep these peas for another night in dark. Hello, it's the third day. So as you know, these peas were kept in dark last night. And these peas have already started to germinate. Thank you everyone. This is the end of my project which was given by Parvin Miss. Bye.